Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to draw one more construction based on angle side angle axiom. So this is our question. Construct a triangle construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 4.9 centimeter, angle P 45 degree and angle Q 60 degree. And finally we will measure, after drawing the final triangle, we will measure the angle R. Okay, so this is our triangle and these are the conditions given. So as you all know that for drawing the construction, first we will notify all the informations separately at one corner of the page. Here it is given PQ is equal to 4.9 centimeter. So let us draw PQ 4.9 centimeter. So 1 millimeter less than 5 centimeter. So this is our line segment PQ, whose length is 4.9 centimeter. Angle P 45 degree and angle Q 60 degree given. Now as you can see students, that 45 degree and 60 degree, both of these angles are of multiples of 15 degree. So for drawing these angles P and Q in the main construction, we will just use our protractor. Okay, we will not copy the angle 45 degree and 60 degree. We will just draw these two angles using protractor. So students, this is our informations given. Now it's time to proceed for drawing the main construction. So what we will draw first of all? So first we will draw any line segment which is bigger than 4.9 centimeter. Okay, so let us draw a line segment which is bigger than 4.9 centimeter. So let us draw this over here, any line segment, suppose this, and roughly we can see that this line segment and this PQ equal to 4.9, these are not equal length, and obviously this line segment is bigger than 4.9 centimeter. Okay, so now what we will do, we will take the measurement of 4.9 centimeter in the compass. Okay, so let us take 4.9 centimeter like this and extend the other arm of the compass at one end point, which is Q. So this is our PQ. Now here we put the needle and cut our 4.9 centimeter. So the names of these 2 points will be, this is P and this is Q. Okay students, now tell me what's next. PQ line segment we have drawn for the triangle PQR. Next, the other two informations are given, angle P 45 degree and angle Q 60 degree. So what we will do for this, at the point P we will draw 45 degree. Okay, so for 45 degree, first we will draw a right angle, means 90 degree. So let us first draw a 90 degree angle like this. Then again we put the needle over here and cut it. Again we put it over here and you have to cut two arcs, 1 and 2, and finally one more arc, putting the needle at this point. So here we put the needle and cut the previous arc. So students, you can see that if you join the point P and this point of intersection of the previous two arcs, we will get a 90 degree angle. But student, one more thing, this 90 degree angle is not needed for this compass. So what we will do, you can draw the a solid line, or you just can draw this dotted or dashed line, okay, for 90 degree. Since angle P is given 45 degree, after drawing this 90 degree, we have to bisect this 90 degree into two equal parts to get our 45 degree. What I said? I said that now we will bisect the 90 degree angle into two parts to get our 45 degree, okay. So for bisecting the angle, we just put the needle over here. First of all, you can take any considerable radius in your compass, okay. In your compass, take any considerable measurement, and then using that measurement, we put the needle at this point, and cut it, and using the same measurement, put the needle again at this point and cut the previous arc. And if you join the point P and this point of intersection of the two arcs, we will get 45 degree angle. Okay, so this is our 45 degree angle, okay. Now the second angle at the point Q is 60 degree. So 60 degree, as you know, it is the most basic concept for drawing an angle using compass. So for drawing 60 degree, we will just take any measurement in the compass and we will cut two arcs. So one arc we have taken, and now we are cutting the second arc like this, okay. And finally, if you join the point Q and the point of intersection of these two arcs and extend upwards, we will get our desired triangle PQR, okay. Yes, so this is our triangle. So PQ, and easily students, you are understanding the name of this point is R, and this is our triangle. This is our triangle PQR, okay. So PQ and R, okay. So our construction is done. Now we have to do two last things we have to do. Number one, level. We have to level this construction, level this diagram, and finally the statement. First of all, let us write down PQ is 4.9 centimeter, angle P 45 degree, angle Q 60 degree, and then the statement. Therefore, triangle PQR is the required triangle whose PQ equal to 4.9 centimeter, angle P 45 degree, and angle Q 60 degree. Now students, in the question, one more subpart is given. After drawing this triangle, we have to measure the angle R. So let us measure the angle R. How much? If we rotate the copy, like this and find out how much the angle R is, then we can see the angle R is 75 degree, okay, almost 75 degree. Little bit error is there because I am using the sketch pen whose tip is not so sharp, okay. So this will be actually 105 degree. Okay, all right, you can see it properly. So I'm sorry, 75 degree. So this is a 70 degree, and if you extend this line, it should come 75 degree, but it is little less than 75 degree, 74 or something like that, because some error is there, as we are using the not the totally sharpened tip, we are using little blunt tip of the sketch pen. So that's why this error is coming. Okay, so here let us write down the measure of the angle R. Angle R will be 75 degree. Okay, students, so this is our construction for the question. For the question, construct a triangle PQR, given that PQ equal to 4.9 centimeter, angle P 45 degree and angle Q 60 degree. Okay, and measure the angle R. So if you apply the angle sum property for a triangle, if you add 60 plus 45 degree, then it is coming how much? 105 degree. And 105 degree if you subtract from the sum of all the angles of a triangle, which is 180 degree, then 180 minus 105 should be 75. So that's why while I was measuring this, it is not coming exactly 75, 74 degree is there almost, and little amount of error is expected while construction, because we are while drawing the measurement or putting any or drawing any arc or the tip of the pencil, for all these things few error can happen over there, but that is acceptable. Okay, all right, students, and the axiom for constructing of this angle, constructing for this triangle, easily you are understanding, students. So here angle, side and angle. So the axiom is angle, side, angle, ASA. Okay, thank you students for watching.